Matt-Trakker's gonna live the nation, and Spectrum's got such supervision. Yes, in the mighty power that could save the day. Yes, no one knows what lies behind the mask charade. Yes, always riding out on Venom's trail. Comes to the laser rays, fire
Hey everybody, it's Bill from Matt-Trakker.com, and welcome to this episode of Behind the Mask. Alright, so I'm back for round 2. I wasn't happy with the output from the first part. For the first part, it was more about the history of it and putting it together and watching it fail. Again, from being from 1978, I'm surprised it still turns on. But what I've been thinking about are removing some of the points that could slow it down or create any kind of failure itself. I also added in this loop here, pretend that's the fire, since I had the extra parts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the guide here, the chute that stops the car and then, opens it up and lets it go through. I'm removing that. And I'm also going to remove this piece up here because I feel like if it does make it up there, it could grind against the top of that and slow it down enough where it won't get that far. So let's check it out and see what happens. So I did print out the sticker sheet. I'm going to apply these at some point in the near future. Not right now though. If you have a suggestion on how to do this for something that small, please let me know. I do have some wax that I can use. I was thinking of maybe doing that, or just really cutting some tape down, some regular Scotch tape, and just kind of laying it on top of it. But if you have an idea outside of me actually getting a sticker sheet and then printing it on that, that's also a way to go as well. But I would love a suggestion because I do want to make this look like Thunderhawk. So please help me. Alright, so we have obstacles removed. And maybe if I push the car through, like give it a little jolt, maybe that'll help too. Again, it's from 1978. I mean, I'm from 1982, and I know I need some help sometimes getting around. So we'll see what happens here. One thing I'm going to do too, now that I just thought about it, I'm going to hold the lever over as far as I can with my left hand and see if that makes any difference. Okay, car's lined up. It made it. It wasn't spectacular, but it did make it. Kidding. It doesn't really hurt. Which is a nice thing they built in there, considering the fact that you really had to stick your fingers in there in order to get the car out if it got stuck. 1978 standards were a little different than today's. So I'm going to try this again. I'm going to pick the camera up just so you don't watch it go through. But we're going to use jackhammer since this is a mass track, not a fake Thunderhawk track. So with that, I call that a success. Removing some of the elements that could have slowed it down and pushing the car through, got it to go through. Now, it's not as fun to play with that way, but it still made it. And I just wasn't accepting that as a, not working as an answer. So if you have any questions about the track itself, feel free to let me know. If you can help support the channel, there's a link in the description to help support us. And until next time, please like, comment, and subscribe to help keep Mask alive. And this is Bill from Matt-Trakker.com, and I'll talk to you later.
And Spectrum's got such supervision.